Good afternoon. Today I'm going to show you how to change the language on your nav bar and menus on your Simplebooklet. So the first thing you're going to do is head over to your dashboard, and then from there go to the Design tab, which is the Painter's palette right here. And then you're going to go into Settings, which is the last icon on the menu on the left here. And then from there, you're going to go to Language, and that's represented as this little globe icon. And then click that pencil. And here is the selection of languages we have. The default one is English, but if you want to use Korean or Japanese or Portuguese or French or any of these options, you've got many to choose from, which is great. Go ahead and click the language that you'd like to use. I'm going to go and do Japanese just to show you what it'll look like. And then you can click Done. And then from there, let's just go over into Preview. As you can see, the written language has changed here to Japanese. So you've got Home and Search, and that'll be the same in both the tablet and the phone view. As you can see here, it's made that adjustment as well. And so that's just a great way to make your documents and your information a little more accessible and to reach a larger audience. Okay, thanks very much.